Day 1 of 6, learning how to do total and lateral surface area. First of all, total is going to be everything, every face. Lateral is faces, no bases. And we'll get into how to distinguish that and what to do with that. Okay, here we go. Total surface area. Find the total surface area. Here is a rectangular prism. So I'm going to walk you through basically what you would do as you thought of how to do your problem. Rectangular, name of shape, rectangular prism. The name tells you what the base is. So the base is a rectangle, and I'm going to use this right here. And then it says surface area formula because it's a prism, and because it's a prism in total, I'm going to write S equals pH plus 2b. S equals pH plus 2b. Now it says perimeter of base. So I'm going to walk around here and go 3 and 2 and 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. 5 and 5 is 10. H. This H right here is the distance between the two bases. Here's a base, here's a base. The H is 8. Now I need area of base. So it's a rectangle, so it's little b times little h. This h is not the same h as this h. When we do this, we're going to do area of a rectangle equals base times height. Now we only feast our eyeballs on the base itself, and that's a 3 by 2, which is 6. Okay, area of two bases is 12. Surface area is my P, which is right here, 10, times my H, which is right here, times 2b, or plus 2b, which is 12. That's 80 plus 12, which is 92 centimeters squared, because I'm dealing with area. Okay, that's how you do a rectangular prism. Name the shape. Right triangular prism. Surface area formula. S equals pH plus 2b. Perimeter of the base. Because I called it a triangular prism, this right here is my base. You do not have to have your figure sitting on a base. Okay, and if I'm going to do perimeter, I need this side, which I have, this side, which I have. I don't have this side. So I'm either going to have to know that that's a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, or I'm going to have to do 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. And I'm going to get c is 5. I'm going to have to go through the Pythagorean theorem or know my triple. And if that's 5, I have 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is 12. Height is the distance between the two bases, and if the base is a triangle, there's a triangle here and a triangle here. This right here is the string that connects it, and that is 14. Area of the base. Area of a triangle. I only put my eyeballs on the triangle. So then it's 1/2 little b little h, and that little b and little h do not come from anything other than that triangle. And that is 1/2 of 4 times 3, which is 6, which is 2 of them is 12. So surface area is P, which is 12, times 14 because of the h, adding 2b. 12 times 14, 168 plus 12, 180 centimeters squared. Okay, find the total surface area. It is a triangular prism. Surface area formula, pH plus 2b. All prisms do the same thing. Perimeter of the base. So this is an isosceles triangular prism, so that's 10 and 10 and 12. Okay, 10 and 10 and 12, so 10 plus 10 plus 12, 32. H, if this is my base, and this is my other base, this is the distance between the two bases, which is 30. So that's 30. Area of an isosceles triangle is area of the isosceles triangle is 1/2 little b little h equals 1/2 of 12 times 9. Because remember, it's the perpendicular distance and it's hidden back here. See, it's perpendicular right there. There's the right angle. So it's 12 times 9. So that is 54. Two bases is 108. Surface area is P times H plus two bases. That's 960 plus 18 is 978 centimeters squared. I'm expecting when you show your work that you show every single step. Notice how I'm naming it. I'm writing the formula. I'm calculating perimeter of the base. I'm designating H. I'm designating the area of the base. And I have things very clear and concise, and somebody could follow all of my shown work.